Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find trending products that you can sell on your dropshipping e-commerce store. So let's get straight into the video. The first tool I'm going to show you is Thieve.co. And here you go. This is the tool we're going to be looking at. Thieve.co curates loads of different trending e-commerce products that are currently popular on AliExpress. So to find a relevant trending product, click onto the category that your store is in. In this example, we're going to be finding a product for a sports and fitness store. So we're going to click on sports on the left menu just here. And here we go. So here we have loads of different trending sports e-commerce products. So you just want to scroll through these products until you find one that you want to sell. And then you can also choose what you want to sort these products by. So you can sort them by latest, trending, or price. And then you can also choose to only show products which ship to the United States. So first, let's have a look at latest. These are the most recently added products in the sports category. And then you can view all of the trending sports products by clicking on the trending button. And then simply scroll through them until you find the perfect product, which is relevant and will also sell on your e-commerce store. So let's take a look at this gym shaker cup right here. We have an image of the product, and then below it we have other related products, and then we can view the amount of orders. You can buy the product directly on AliExpress. And then we also have a button which allows you to sell this particular product using Oberlo. You can also access more products and view more insights if you get a pro account, but to start with, the free account is absolutely perfect. So now let's have a look at another tool which we can use to find trending e-commerce products that you can sell on your dropshipping store. Here we have EcomHunt. EcomHunt shows you the best new products every day. So once again, these are trending products that you can sell on your e-commerce store. You can sort these products by newest, by the amount of orders that each product has had, or by oldest. You can also select so that you only see products in certain categories. So if I want to go for sports and fitness again, I will look for a sports or fitness category. So I think that this will be the perfect category just here. So now we are only shown sports and entertainment products. And then we can select the offer type that we want to view. So the options available are free plus shipping, funnel, and retail price. So I'll click retail price. And then you can choose to only view products which were added in the past 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or in the previous month. So for now, I'll just leave this one as all. And then once again, all you need to do is scroll through these products until you find one which you want to sell on your e-commerce website. So I'll have a look at this one just here, the AB Carver Pro Roller. So I'll click Show Me the Money. And on this page, we can view the insights for this particular product. So the recommended retail price is $59.95 and the product cost is $18.25. So for this particular product, the profit margin is over $40. So that is an incredible profit margin. Now for this particular product, I think that the product cost is actually much cheaper now. And I also think that the selling price is closer to $30. So realistically for this product, I'd say that the profit margin would be around $7 to $20. Now this depends on where in the world your orders are coming from and other things as well, for example, advertising costs and so on. So this is EcomHunt. You should now have a good understanding as to how you can find relevant and trending products for your e-commerce store. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.